Jai Hind students, this video for class 9th lesson number 13 India location, geological structure and physiography. In the last video we have seen about very unique and strategic location of our India. In the southern side, the India is the coastal boundary, the neighboring of the coastal boundary is the Sri Lanka and Myanmar, and the Falkland Strait of the India and Sri Lanka separated by one strait, and that is the Falkland Strait and Gulf of Mannar. Now what is a strait? Strait means Samudra Dhuni, means the upper part is covering with the water body and the internal part connected with the land, just like India. इंडिया और श्रीलंका का नीचे का जो लैंड पार्ट है वो कनेक्टेड है, बट द अपर पार्ट दैट इज द covered with the water body, and that type of geological structure is called the strait. So there is a Falkland Strait between India and Sri Lanka. In the southern side, in this the Arabian Sea, in the western side the Arabian Sea, there is a Lakshadweep, the Union Territory. The Lakshadweep is the situated, and in the Bay of Bengal, the Andaman and Nicobar, there is a Union Territory situated in our Indian boundary. So this is regarding the information about the location and regarding about the Falkland Strait and the coastal boundary of India. Now, dear students, we will study very interesting history about the geological structure of our country. It is a very interesting कि भारत का जो आज आप मैप देख रहे हो, जो स्ट्रक्चर देख रहे हो भारत का फ्रॉम नॉर्थ टू साउथ, ईस्ट टू वेस्ट, वो स्ट्रक्चर आज से करोड़ों साल पहले अस्तित्व में आया. वो कैसे आया? इट इज अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग हिस्ट्री. यू ऑल ऑफ यू इन द 8th स्टैंडर्ड यू हैव स्टडीड द अर्थ वाज अ फायरबॉल ऑन इट्स इनिशियल स्टेज. जब ये सन में से जब ये अर्थ जब अलग हुआ था तो एक फायरबॉल था. द इंटीरियर पार्ट ऑफ द अर्थ इज वेरी हॉट, approximately 6000 degree temperature. The crust, the core part of the earth is very hot, it is very heat. So that's why the interior part of the earth is very heat. The tectonic movements is regularly that is affected the geological structure of the different parts of the world. Now what is a tectonic plates and what is a tectonic movements? The different plates on the earth is the existence, and the movement of this plate is called the tectonic plates. The divergent and the destructions also, the development also and the destructions also, that is because of this plate movement towards each other and also separated to the each other. So it is a very interesting and it is a very interesting topic regarding about the divergent and about the tectonic plates. आप ऐसा समझ सकते हो कि भाई अर्थ एक जैसे बहुत ही बड़ा एक स्विमिंग पूल है और उसके ऊपर 7 प्लेट्स जो है वो तैर रहे हैं. द इंटीरियर पार्ट ऑफ द अर्थ इज वेरी हॉट, इसलिए दैट इज अ रेडियो एक्टिव्स, द ऑलवेज दैट इज अ रेडियो एक्टिव्स द passes from the interior part of the earth and it's reached to the upper layers of the earth, the upper part of the earth, and because of this the very tremendous and very extremely heat, the upper part is broken, is crushed, and this part is known as the lithospheric plates, the different lithospheric plates. हमारे अर्थ का नीचे का जो पार्ट है वो एकदम गर्म है और ऊपर नीचे से जो रेडियो एक्टिव जो आते हैं वो ऊपर लेयर्स को टकराते हैं और कभी कभी वॉल्केनिक इरप्शन भी होता है. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दिस द नेचुरल इफेक्ट द डिफरेंट फिजियोग्राफी have been existence in this world. So we will study the first of all different lithospheric plates of the earth. And what is the lithospheric plates? That is because of the internal heats, the reach to the parts of the crust of the earth and the broken the different rocks in the different parts, and this part is known as this plate is known as the lithospheric plates. So there are the 7th lithospheric plates on the world. 7 टोटल प्लेट्स है जिसको हम आज 7 कॉन्टिनेंट भी कहते हैं. तो इनिशियल स्टेज के ऊपर 7 जो प्लेट्स थे, फर्स्ट देयर इज अ पैसिफिक प्लेट. second North American plate, third South American plate, fourth Eurasian plate, that is the mixed plate with Europe and Asia, that is known as a Eurasian plate, and African plate, Indo-Australian plate. It is very interesting that the Indo-Australian, this part with the connected with the Australia, so that's why known as the Indo-Australian plate, and Antarctic plates. So thus total there are the 7 plates that is in the our earth. So it is very interesting history about this, is regarding about the different plates of the earth. टोटल 7 जो प्लेट्स है वो इस तरीके से अर्थ के ऊपर है, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ देयर इज अ डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ द मोशन ऑफ दिस प्लेट्स is known as the tectonic movements. So mainly there are the 3 types of the motions of these plates, and these plates is known as the tectonic movement, the tectonic effect. First there is a divergent plate, that is the divergent plate. ये जो एक प्लेट और दूसरी प्लेट है वो एक दूसरे से अगर अलग होती है, डाइवर्ट होती है, that is known as the divergent plate. Second there is a convergent plate. Convergent, that means that is the amalgamation, that is the gathering of the 2 plates, that is the plates एक दूसरे से कन्वर्ट होती है, एक दूसरे से कन्वर्जेंट, एक दूसरे से पास में आपस में वो आके ऐसे लॉक हो जाते हैं, that is called the convergent plates. And third that is a transform boundary, the transform of the boundary. 2 प्लेट जो है वो आपस में सिरक कर, एक जो प्लेट है वो इस साइड की ओर जाती है और दूसरी प्लेट जो है वो अलग डायरेक्शन में जाती है, that is called the transfer boundary of the plates. So there are the 3 kinds of the motion of this tectonic plate. This movement is known as the tectonic movements, the divergent, convergent and transform boundary. And because of this motion, because of this the different types of the tectonic movements, the physiography of the earth, the different shape of the earth has been changed from time to time. अगर आप एटलास मैप के अंदर वर्ल्ड के मैप देखोगे तो आज से करोड़ों साल पहले का जो मैप है वो थोड़ा अलग होगा, उसके बाद बिलियन ईयर्स पहले, फिर मिलियन ईयर्स पहले, फिर हजारों साल पहले. तो अर्थ का जो शेप है, अर्थ डिफरेंट शेप्स ऑफ द डिफरेंट शेप ऑफ द कॉन्टिनेंट ऑफ द अर्थ, दैट इज द चेंज टू टाइम. लेकिन ये चेंज कोई 5-10 साल, 500, 200, 50, 1000 सालों में नहीं होता, ये चेंज होता है लाखों करोड़ों साल में एक बार ये चेंजेस होते हैं, एंड दैट इज नोन एज द टेक्टोनिक मूवमेंट्स. एंड दिस मूवमेंट बिकॉज ऑफ द वेरी इंटीरियर पार्ट ऑफ द अर्थ इज वेरी हॉट, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस मूवमेंट अकर्स. तो इस तरीके से अगर हम फिजियोग्राफी की, अपने देश की जो फिजियोग्राफी की अगर हिस्ट्री पढ़े तो इंडियन कॉन्टिनेंट इज known as the Gondwana land, बहुत ही करोड़ों साल पहले, that is known as the Gondwana land, and this place is connected with the South America, Australia and with the Antarctica plate. ये 3 प्लेट से ये हमारा जो Gondwana land, that is connected. This is very interesting. This Gondwana land also connected with the Australia. So this Gondwana land is connected with 3 plates. There are 3 different plates of the earth. The Indo-Australian plate is the part of the Eurasian plate, that is the Indo-Australian plate. This is known as the Indo-Australian plate. This plate, the south part of our country, that is connected with the Australia, and before the 5 crore years ago one change and one things happen in all over the world. The tectonic movements, the big tectonic movements happened before the 5 crores of the years, and this plate drifting towards the upper side, in the northern side. ये जो पार्ट जो था वो ऑस्ट्रेलिया के साथ कनेक्टेड था, that is the Indo-Australian plate, and this is the Eurasian plate. और ये जो पार्ट है वो 5 करोड़ साल पहले इस तरीके से ड्रिफ्टिंग होके, दैट इज द कॉलिशन बिटवीन द यूरेशियन एंड द इंडो-ऑस्ट्रेलियन प्लेट. आपस में ये जो प्लेट है वो टकराई, द यूरेशियन प्लेट बिफोर द 5 करोड़ years ago, and that's why there is the fault has been created, and that's why there is a creation of the Himalaya of the northern side. So we can say the southern part of the India is the oldest part, and the northern part of the India, it is very youngest, that very new part of our country. And because of this collision, the new land, the new mountain range has been created, and this mountain range is called the Himalaya mountain range. And it is very interesting that before the Himalaya mountain range there is a one sea, and this sea is known as the Tethys Sea. It is very interesting. हिमालय नहीं था आज से करोड़ों साल पहले, उसके जगह पे यहाँ पे एक समंदर था, and that sea is known as the Tethys Sea. And because of the collision between the Indo-Australian plate and the Eurasian plate, the Himalaya mountain range has been formed. And because of the Himalaya mountain range has been formed, the different geography, the different physiography of India is also formed. The Himalaya valley is formed. The southern peninsular plateaus is also formed. The southern peninsular plateaus is also formed. And because of the creations of the Himalaya, that is a very large water mass, and different types of the rivers has also originated from the Himalaya. Ganga, Brahmaputra, Yamuna, Sindhu, different types of the very we can say it is the perennial rivers created from the Himalaya. So the volcanic eruption is also took place before the crores years ago. The volcanic eruption in the northern west side, this side the volcanic eruption also, that is happened before the millions and billions years ago, and that's why the new land is also created, and the land is also the submerged in the ocean. यहाँ की जो land जो थी वो ocean के अंदर submerged हो गई, and that's why the Arabian Sea is also created. It is a very interesting. So because of the volcanic eruption, we can say the Arabian Sea is the created. So thus the large diversity of the India is created. The question can be asked, write a short note of the different diversified of our India, different the physiography of our country. So because of the lofty Himalaya mountain range, because of this lofty Himalaya mountain range, the upper part of our country is become very alluvial, very productivity. भारत का जो अपर का पार्ट जो है वो अलग अलग नदियों से संपन्न है. गंगा, यमुना, ब्रह्मपुत्र, these are the rivers in the upper part. So that's why it is the north, it is the longest northern plain of the India. The alluvial soil, it is very fertility soil. These types of the mountain, these types of the plain land has been created because of the depositions of the different rivers. Because of the Himalaya, there are so many rivers originated from the Himalaya. So that's why the northern plain of the India is created, and in this northern plain so many rivers are deposited, that the alluvial in the northern part. So that's why our northern part is very alluvial, with the alluvial soil, and it is also very fertile soil. The southern part of our country is the peninsular types of the plateaus, two types of the Ghats, that is the Western Ghats and also the Eastern Ghats. That is the two Ghats has been also created, and that is the peninsular plateaus in the southern part of our country. So India is connected with the three water bodies: Indian Oceans, Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. And southern part of our country is become a very more distinct. This is the narrow part, and the northern part of our country is little broad compared to the southern part. So the shape is just like a peninsular Dvipkalp. It is also called the inverted triangle shape. जैसे उल्टा त्रिकोण आकार, इस तरीके से जो हमारा जो southern part है वो created हुआ है. So these are the very interesting history, where is an interesting topic about the geological structure of our India. Thus, the Indian physiography is a diversified. In the northern side, Himalaya mountain range, then after the north plain of the Himalaya, the south side, the peninsular plateaus, the different Malwa plateaus, Deccan plateaus, the coastal boundary. Thailand is also there, the Andaman Nicobar, the Lakshadweep island is also there, the Gulf is also there, Gulf of Kutch, Gulf of Khambat, the Palkan state. So we can say that it is a diversified physiography of our country. वैविध्य सबर, एक बहुत ही डिस्टिंक्ट, एक बहुत ही यूनिक और एक बहुत ही वैविध्य सबर, बहुत ही डाइवर्सिफाइड द फिजियोग्राफी ऑफ आवर इंडिया हैज. So thus the lesson number 13 is completed. Jai Hind.